This is how we replace transmission engine mount in Renault Clio 3. First you need to remove the negative terminal. You need a ratchet with big extension and 13 millimeter. Remove the battery hold down. Now you can remove the battery. Now you need to push out. Remove this. This you need to push in. Now this whole plastic comes off. Now you've got two 13 millimeter. Wet clip here. Remove it. And this whole plastic comes off. Now we got access to the mount. You need to support it underneath the car with a jack. Now we need to lift the car and put it over here on jack stand. Now the car is on jack. Now we're underneath the car. Need to remove a couple of screws here and here to remove this cover. Now we need to support the engine a little bit with the jack. Right about here it's probably good. Now a little bit more just to support it. Now we need to loosen the nut is off. And here's the bolt from underneath. Take the stud, put it flush. You can remove the mount. Now we need to torque it to 36 foot-pounds. 3 bolts, 36 foot-pounds. 36. Lock it. Now we can return this part. Don't forget to bolt back the undercover, couple of bolts. I'll put links in the description box below if you want to check it out. Tools, parts, all the good stuff. Hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.